Good, 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 good. Hello and welcome to the Solarstube, the video channel with always an idea. The wintertime and the rain are deadly for the generation of solar energy, but it is also possible if the solar platform crashes. That's exactly what happened to me. After all, I built 6 of these solar platforms in trillions. I needed a mobile system because I knew that at some point I would go back to Belgium, and it made no sense to put the solar panels on the roof of the house, even though everything went smoothly in Belgium. At home. Now again, that's where the mishap happened. Actually, I should have known, because a solar platform had been damaged during the move. Tried to stabilize her. But here it turned out that nothing helped. She collapsed. And now I have repaired the crashed solar platform again. Here we see it. And now it's so stable, nothing will happen anymore. What did I do? I took a heavy-duty shelf again, 120 meters wide and 45 centimeters deep. Normally, these shelves are 180 meters high, but they are delivered in 2 parts. Now I've gone and I've got the edges, the corners, the pillars here. And this one, these are all plug connections, and they usually don't hold at all. So I screwed it on additionally, and with all the misfortune, I was lucky again. This solar platform has tilted above. That means it crashed. But the foundation below, where the angles are screwed together, remained completely intact. That was stable. So my system couldn't tear itself away through the storm. My tip to you: if you are also building a mobile solar platform, I will show you my construction video above. Then pay attention and provide stability so that what happened to me doesn't happen to you. This is absolutely important, that you have a platform that can withstand everything in wind and weather. I would like to thank you very much for watching this short video. If you liked it, then I'm happy about a thumbs up, and then it can soon be said again. The Solarstube always greets with an idea. Stay healthy and see you soon. Goodbye.